I just put lipstick on and now I'm drinking a pop. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a Moonshine Manny collection to show you. I was going to say collection video, but you know what I mean. A new collection from Moonshine Manny. This collection is going to be available August 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's noon Eastern Standard. This is called the Back to Reality TV collection, inspired by 6 of Phoebe's favorite reality TV shows. If you guys want to see the swatches, just keep watching. As always, I'm going to read you Phoebe's descriptions. Pardon me while I'm looking down. Also, my front door is open because it was raining and smells lovely, so you can hear cars driving by. I'm not going to say I'm sorry you can hear them. I'm sorry if it bothers you, but I'm leaving my windows open. And my husband is downstairs playing video games. You can probably hear him yelling at some random person online. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, the first polish in this collection is called Bachelor in Paradise. This is a dark green jelly filled with green, pink, fuchsia, chameleon flakies, and matching shifty shimmer. This one is opaque in 2 coats because it is a jelly. You might possibly need 3 depending on how you apply polish, how long your nails are. But I was able to get this, what I consider opaque, in 2 coats. It has a really good formula and there's tons of delicious flakies in there. I wonder if I'm gonna get sick of flakies. I feel like no, because there are a lot of flaky polishes on the market right now and I love all of them. So this is 2 coats of Bachelor in Paradise. The next polish is called Big Brother. This is a dark blue jelly base filled with green to blue to purple chameleon micro glitters and green, pink, fuchsia shifty shimmer. This one is opaque in 3 coats. This was kind of close on 2, but if you want full opacity, you're gonna need 3. This one looks so much prettier in person than it does in the picture because that shifty shimmer really catches the different lighting and it just looks really pretty in motion. So you're gonna see a still picture. But this is 3 coats of Big Brother. Next polish is called So You Think You Can Dance. This is a light mauve crelly packed with red, black, fuchsia, and silver glitters, and a pink, gold, green chameleon flaky. This one is opaque in 3 coats. You could possibly get away with 2 on this. I did 3 just to see what would happen. It didn't do a ton, so it's 2 to 3 coats. You're seeing 3 in the pictures, but you might be able to get away with 2 on this one. It's really densely packed with glitters, but it's not difficult to work with. It has a really nice formula. So that is 3 coats of So You Think You Can Dance. Next polish is called Survivor. This is a sand-colored crelly, which makes sense, flecked with soft gold flakies and teal, blue, purple, fuchsia multi-chrome flakies. This was another that I did 3 coats, but you could probably get away with 2. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my gosh, hold on. It has a good formula. It was very close in 2, but I wanted to see what would happen with 3. Not much happened, so. The next polish is called The Challenge. This is a green to purple pastel multi-chrome. This is 3 coats of The Challenge, and then I did also put 1 coat over black. It's super shifty and multi-chrome, and it looks much better in person. Also, I forgot to mention at the beginning, I swatched all of these right after I came back from vacation and my nails were a disaster. So I apologize for that. My nails are very ridgy right now and they just need some love. So my nails look a little rough. I apologize, but that's what happens. You use your hands. The very last polish is called the Great British Baking Show. This is a dusty blurple filled with a rose gold shimmer. This one is opaque in 2 coats. It has a really good formula. The shimmer is really pretty. It looks really nice with this. I love this dusty purple color. I just love these types of purples. They're very cool toned. They're right up my alley. So this one was probably this one was probably my favorite. I like this one a lot. That's 2 coats of the Great British Baking Show. That's really difficult to say. This collection will be available August 9th on moonshinemanny.com. You can purchase the entire 6-piece collection for $64, or if you want an individual shade, it's going to be $12. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite. What is your favorite reality TV show? I'm an old lady, and I pretty much only watch The Office over and over. So I do like baking shows. We like Chopped and the Kids Baking Championship. We love the Kids Baking Championship. But I can't say that we watch them regularly. Probably my favorite reality TV show was Joe Millionaire, because it was I mean, that show was ridiculous. And I also really loved I can't remember what it's called, like Wanna Marry Harry or something, where they they took this guy who looked a lot like Prince Harry, and they didn't say that he was Prince Harry, but they heavily suggested that he was, and these girls thought that they were in a mansion with a member of royalty. It was awesome. Anyway, let me know what your favorite reality TV show is. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in my next one.